An important energy base in northern China, wind power in Inner Mongolia has now reportedly topped an installed capacity of 5 gigawatts. This puts the region at the top of the list of the nation's capacity of installed wind power. In the first 10 months of this year, wind power generating capacity in the region was up nearly 170% over the same period last year, and the total reserves of wind power in Inner Mongolia accounting for more than 20% of the nation's total. Last year, around 4 billion kilowatt hours of electricity was generated by wind power in Inner Mongolia, helping to save nearly 2 million tons of coal and reduce emissions by nearly 4 billion tons of carbon dioxide and 27 tons of sulfur dioxide. The region has also drawn investment from wind power developers and wind turbine makers such as China Longyuan Power and China Power Investment Corporation. Longyuan raised $2.2 billion in the world's joint 8th largest IPO this year. The stock rose nearly 10% on its first day of trading last week, despite the broader market's fall, with investors betting that the renewable energy sector will continue to receive government support. China burns coal to produce about 80% of its electricity, but wants at least 15% of its energy to come from renewable sources by 2020. China is currently the fourth largest wind market in the world, and the National Energy Administration said earlier this year it wants the country's wind power capacity to increase more than fivefold over the next decade. Sylvia Gunawan, BON.